scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Aggregate demand question. Identify what shifts the entire demand curve, not what changes production or only moves along it. Quick check, then answer. Aggregate demand means total spending on a country's goods and services. So we want the choice that directly raises overall spending, not something that only changes costs, rules, or technology. An increase in government spending is literally one component of aggregate demand. So when the government spends more, total planned spending rises and the aggregate demand curve shifts right. Options A, B, and E affect aggregate supply, while C is a price level change that moves along demand. So option D is the only increase. Well done. Option D, scan now. Trap, rushing signs. Rule, trust what's given and check which choice shifts demand, not supply.